Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphone The House of Marley Redemption to your PC. You have to start by click on the Windows icon, then go to Settings, Devices, Add Bluetooth. Now open the case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, like right here, you should press and hold button at the back for at least 3 seconds until this LED light starts flashing red and blue. Now we see it, so just click on it and then click done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!